Please, have you ever wondered that you need millions to start a business? No. Think again. In Uganda today, with less than 1 million shillings, which is around $250, you can build a business that not only needs that can feed you, but also grows into something bigger. Stick around today, because in this video, I'm going to share with you 10 powerful business ideas you can start right now, even with very little money. Idea number 7 is one of the best and one people often overlook, yet it could turn into gold mine. Keep around. Idea number 7. Listen to this one. Now, what is the title of this video? It is 10 best business idea you can start in Uganda with less than $250. Before I dive in, I would love to say thank you to all our engagers. You're wonderful. And to the new subscribers, please, this is a mind-blowing video. Keep on it. Watch. Write in the comment section where you want any clarification. Go and try out one. A disclaimer, guys, this video is for educational purposes. I'm not a financial guru. I'm not a financial consultant. I'm giving you something leveled at 10%. The 90% you can go out there and work it out for yourself. Let's start. This video is going to be very short, so get your pen. Let's dive in. I'm going to give you business idea number 1 is mobile money agents. Uganda is a mobile money hub with as little as Ugandan shillings of 200,000 for fraud and a rented kiosk space. You can become a mobile money agent. Every transaction earns you commission, and the demand is non-stop in both towns and villages. So if you're here, you can go ahead and start somewhere. Business idea number 2 is vegetable and fruit vending. Farmers bring fresh produce daily. You can start small by buying from the market in bulk and selling in smaller quantities at roadside stalls or door to door. Some of you feel it is not good, but this is beautiful. With Ugandan shillings 150 to 200, you are in business, and margins are good. If you really find yourself, you're in position to sell fresh foods, fresh, fast, and clean. And then let's go to business idea number 3. Poultry farming, which is on a small scale. You can do it. You can start with 20 to 30 chicks. Simple feeds are there, and their basic housing can be maybe with around 250 for everything, which can raise for you some eggs or meat. Poultry is always demanded in hotels, in household, and shops will be your customers. Go for it, you guys. It is very good. We go for business number 4, which is phone accessory selling. Everywhere you look, people own phones. You can buy earphones, chargers, screen guards, and cases on wholesale and resale at a busy street corner or online. Your $250 gives you enough stock to start. So what are you waiting for? Just go, girl, and do this. Business idea number 5 is street food and snacks. Chapati, Rolex, roasted maize, or fried snacks. These sell fast in Uganda, especially in busy towns. With Ugandan shillings 100,000, 250, you can set up a stall and start feeding hungry commuters while pocketing daily profits. Now, come to think about it. If you find yourself with like 5 stalls, that would be great. And in future, you go to 10 stalls to 100 stalls. Business number 6 is liquid soap making, which everybody is now doing. Training costs as low as 300,000 with simple chemical and jerry cans. You can make and sell liquid soap to homes, schools, and shops. It's low capital but very high demand. Business idea number 7 is thrift clothing, which we normally call them as bale business. This is where you buy second-hand clothes, mitumba in Uganda, and in some bales, and resell them piece by piece. You can start with just 200,000, and profits are often double or triple, depending on how you'll find the fashion you're in or the bale you'll get. Fashion never goes out of demand. Business number 8 is mobile salon and barber services. Instead of renting space, buy simple barber clip blow drying and move around offering home services. With less than $250, you are equipped, and the convenience means people pay you gladly. Business idea number 9 is rental of household items. People need tents, they need chairs, sound systems, and utensils for events. Start with items like chairs or saucepans, hire them out of functions, and reinvest profits into expanding your stock. Business idea number 10, which would be the last but least, I told you this video is short and precise. It is about business, online freelancing, and content creation. With just your smartphone and internet, you can earn through writing, graphic design, social media management, or even creating your YouTube videos like me, like this one you're checking. No rent needed. Your skills are your capital and your phone is your everything. So, guys, having talked a lot, which of the 10 best business ideas do you like here? Do you like to start today? Remember, wealth does not come from waiting for the perfect moment. It comes from starting small and growing consistently. Uganda is full of opportunities, and with less than $250, you can step into business and create financial freedom. Guys, I love you so much. Have you ever started any business? Like any of the business I've talked about, me, I've started almost all of them. If you found this video very very great, so which of these 10 business ideas do you see yourself starting? Really, Ugandan money, $250, and you start. If you found this video helpful, drop a heart, drop a comment, drop your thoughts, share it with a friend who needs inspirational, and don't forget to subscribe for more money making videos and ideas. See you in another video. Bye bye.